Next topic is balancing equation. Balancing equation in acidic medium. We can balance the equation by two methods. One is half reaction method is there. Another one is oxidation number method. Oxidation number method. First we will discuss oxidation number method. So oxidation number method mein we have to calculate the oxidation numbers first of all. Okay, this is called skeletal equation. No body, skeleton only. That means without balancing equation, that is skeleton equation. So it is derived from the statement. The statement is potassium dichromate reaction with some sulfides and producing sulfates. This is the statement. According to statement, this skeleton equation came. Right. A good oxidizing agent, sulfide ko, it is oxidizing into sulfates. This much we know, but how many moles required, what we don't know. Right? Now we are balancing. We are taking acidic medium. Right. Now first step, you have to assign the oxidation number. First step is step 1. Step 1 is write oxidation numbers. Oxidation state or oxidation numbers. ओके सबका ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर बताओ. क्रोमियम में क्या होगा? ये -14 मतलब ये +2 निकालना है. दैट मींस +6 शॉर्ट फॉर्म -6 -4 +4 राइट. क्रोमियम ऑलरेडी +3 राइट. सल्फर -8 -6 that means +6 right. Okay, इसमें भी x y सॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं ना. Right. Now chromium +3 to +6 to +3, it is changed oxidation number. Right. How many electrons changing? 3 electrons changing. 3 electrons gaining. Right, 2 chromiums are there, so we should take 2 chromium. Right, 1 chromium losing, gaining 3 electrons means total 6 electrons gain. 6 electron gaining. Right, sulfur +4 to +6, that means 2 electron loss. 2 electrons loss. Here it is gaining 6 electron. It is giving only 2 electron. How it is possible? So what to do? I can multiply with 3, that means 3 moles I am taking, then only it's possible. Okay, what you will do first? Losing electron and gaining electron, find it. Then in the next step you make it equal. Okay, the electron is not coming from any outside. Okay, inside only in the container those electron exchanging. This is gaining, this is losing, so in the same ratio we have to take. The electron losing equal to electron gaining होना चाहिए, right? That's why I am multiplying with 3. Why I am multiplying with 3? Understood everyone? Yes or no? Losing electrons only 2, gaining electrons 6 are there. So gaining electron equal to losing electron we have to do by multiplying with any one number. Clear? This step is clear. So first step is what? Write oxidation states. Then second step what? Calculate losing and gaining electrons. Gaining electrons. Then make it equal. Make it equal. कैसे? By multiplying with any proper number. Make it equal. Over. So our 70% reaction completed. 70% reaction completed. You can check it. Other than oxygen and hydrogen, everything is balanced. 2 chromiums, 2 chromium. 3 sulfur, 3 sulfur. Abhi next thing is we have to balance the oxygen. Right? Next third step. Balance the oxygen. To balancing, what we have to add? We can add in acidic medium. We have one is H plus, whatever you want, you will get it. One is electron, whatever you want, you will get it in acidic medium. And third one is water. These three things you will get. These three things you will get it. Now we need only oxygen. Oxygen के लिए H2O you can take. So now count it. How many oxygens are? Balance the oxygen with water by water molecule, right? Now tell me 7 oxygens here, 9 oxygen. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 here, only 12. How much difference? 4. 4 oxygens we require here. That means we can add 4 water molecule here. 4 water molecule. Now oxygen balance over. Next, fourth step is balance the hydrogen. Balance the hydrogen. Acidic medium में whatever you want H plus you will get it. Right? Now tell me hydrogens here. Total 8 hydrogens. Here 0. Now I am adding here 8 H plus. Balance over. Still if you want you can check it once. Okay, 2 chromiums done, 3 sulfur done, oxygen 7 plus 9, 16, 12 plus 4, 16, hydrogens 8. Still charge also you can do it. Finally charge. See what is the charge here? Is Cr2O7 2 minus. So it is a minus 2 charge. SO3 2 minus. Minus 2 into 3. Minus 6. Minus 6. Each hydrogen plus 1. Total plus 8. Plus 8. Total कितना होगा charge? Minus 0. Now right side ये plus 3. Plus 3 and plus 3. Plus 6. Plus 6. I'm writing here. Plus 6. This one is minus 2 into 3. Minus 6. Minus 6 or nothing. Equal to 0. Right side also charge 0. Left side also charge 0. Elements equal. So finally our answer over. This much only balancing equation. Now same reaction we are doing in half reaction method. Half reaction method. In this method, the reaction we are making into half reactions. So one side is generally oxidation reaction, the other side is generally reduction reaction. If you don't know oxidation which is undergoing oxidation, which is undergoing reduction, there is no problem. Even okay. So one same terms you write in one reaction, and other same terms you write in another reaction. So here Cr2O7 2 minus is converting into Cr plus 3, right? Then sulfur SO3 2 minus undergoing SO4 2 minus. So simply oxygen is gaining, that's why it is oxidation. If you know it is fine, otherwise also no problem. It is reduction, right? Now first point is here. Other than oxygen and hydrogen balance. Balance what is it? Balance the atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, balance the elements or atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. Now for that I can write it here only 2. So over. Already it is first step done. Now second step. Second step is oxygen. ये तो proper होना चाहिए. First other than oxygen and hydrogen. Next oxygen. Oxygen के लिए क्या था? Acidic medium में we will get only H2O, electron and H plus. These three are available in acidic medium. In acidic medium we will get it H plus, H2O, electron. These three things. Now we need to balance here oxygen. So oxygen balancing with Obviously we have only one option, that is H2. Now do it. Cr2O7 minus is gives rise to Cr plus 3 plus how many H2Os? 7 H2Os will require. Or many students will do the mistakes. If plus 3 in the first step it will be there, while going down O plus 3 boulder. Okay, is very important, these charges. Okay, or sometimes they will write 2 Cr or 3, either only Cr. The 2 will there. Okay, don't do like that. Now, oxygen balance, same here. Only one is variation, that's why SO3 2 minus plus 1 H2O, then SO4 2 minus, oxygen over. Next, hydrogen balancing, third step. Hydrogen balancing. For that hydrogen, what to do? Just add H plus. Now here 7 into H2 means 14 H plus, nothing. So simply I am adding here 14 H plus. Here 2, here nothing. That's why I am adding here only 2 H plus instead of writing again. Hydrogen also over. Next, fourth step is charge balance. Charge balance. Charge balance कैसे? Charge balance with electron. With electrons. With electrons. Now see here, it is minus 2, it is plus 14. Minus 2 plus 14 means plus 12. Either plus 12 is there. This side plus 6 is there. Each chromium plus 3, total 2. So plus 6. Dekho, we have only electron. Electron is negative charge. Now where you will keep the electrons and how many electrons you need to balance this charge? How many electrons required? 6 electrons required. Now where you will keep the electrons? Right side or left side? Right side or left side? Suppose right side if you are keeping 6 electron means what? Minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 is 0. So what to do? Left side you have to write 6 electrons. Left side you have to write here 6 electrons. 6 electrons. What will happen? A plus electron required. Enough. Now what about here? This charge is minus 2. Here 0. Here minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. So to balancing these charges, I will add here 2 electrons. Okay, then क्या होगा? This is a minus 2. उधर भी minus 2, इधर भी minus 2. Understood this step? थोड़ा confuse होता है इसमें ये step में. Calculating charge. Okay, this right side and left side should be equal. If it is not equal, then you have choice. You take the electrons, whatever you want, you can take. Then add it. And while you are adding only, some students will confuse. Sir, इधर add करना, इधर add करना. बेटा electron तो negative charge है. ठीक है? So we can increase the negative charge. That's only we can do. So here minus 2 is there, here 0 is there. So if you keep electron here, it becomes minus 4. Okay? That's why you keep it here. There minus 2, here also minus 2. Now it's balanced. Now final. So charge also now balanced over. Now final, just combine the equations. And before combining the equation, see final equation में कभी भी there is no electrons. There is no electrons. So here 2 electrons are there. Here 6 electrons are there. ये reactant side है वो product side है. It will get cancelled, but same number होना चाहिए ना. That's why what we will do to make it equal, we are multiplying with 3. This equation multiply with 3. Then 3SO3 2 minus plus 3H2O gives us 3SO4 2 minus plus 6H plus 6 electrons. Right? Now this equation I am writing down here. Actually we have to combine the equations. Now tell me this equation. Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus 6 electrons is given as 2Cr plus 3 this one प्लस 7H2O और कुछ नहीं, बस इतना ही, राइट। नाउ this 6 electron get cancelled, 7H2O 3H2O 7H2O 3H2O में 3 will get cancelled, 4 will be remain, मतलब 4 water molecules will be remain. Now 14H plus and 6H plus में 6 will get cancelled, 8 will be remain. Okay, this is the 8 will be remain. I will write it here, the balancing final equation. Tell me 3SO3 2 minus 3SO3 2 minus 3H2 तो पूरा कैंसिल हो गया ना, पूरा कैंसिल। Then Cr2O7 2 minus plus 8H plus is gives rise. Now products 3 sulfate plus 6H plus and तो get cancel ना completely, 6 and 14, right? Now electron get cancelled. 2Cr plus 3 4H2O. This is the final answer. Still, if you have any doubt, you can check it. 3 sulfur, 2 chromium, hydrogens 8, 4 into 2 8, oxygens 12 plus 4 16, 7 plus 9 16, charge -6 -2 plus 8, total 0, product side -6 plus 6 equal to 0, सब कुछ बराबर। So your equation is balanced. This is the final answer. Same answer you can check it, we did in the oxidation number method. That is very simple na, oxidation number method, hardly 3 steps में खत्म, but here ठीक है, मेथड तो है।